Have you ever been frustrated at your partner? Have you felt that your arguments at times feel futile and unnecessary? I'm a certified psychologist from Norway, and many couples that I've had in therapy struggle with their communication. They have busy jobs, perhaps children, and are strapped for time. They typically end up in self-sustaining patterns of bickering that they don't know how to get out of. However, it is possible to free yourself from bad communicative patterns. Sometimes it's sufficient to learn the right words to describe what is happening. What happens in a relationship where one person clams up and tries to escape at the slightest sign of trouble, whereas the other keeps following with a stream of words? Talking about these types of differences can dispel many misunderstandings. It is a fact that couples who invest their time in each other are much more satisfied than couples who don't. On Remainly, you gain access to a full menu of techniques that may help. I give you video instructions on conversations and exercises. You choose a topic, find time in your calendar, and work at your own leisure. Our goal is to help you rid yourself of tiresome habits and bad communication. I really want to help you playing gracefully with ideas. All our paths are made according to best practice in the field, with techniques that are easy to learn and easy to do, whenever and wherever it suits you. A good relationship means increased quality of life, more intimacy, and even a longer life. Try Remainly today.